Is it really about the bottom line? Is that it? We're just now, we now have to be infotainment vehicles?
Unfortunately, that's what I've seen. And it's twofold. One, there's the ratings. And if your ratings are up, again, everyone at the station is going to get promoted, but also you're going to get the sponsors. And so there's the numbers, but also it's the viewers. The viewers, unfortunately, prefer entertainment. And we have the numbers to show it. In addition to the on-air broadcast, we have the website that has the news as well. And we'll put stories, hard news stories on there, and we get our hits, and then put a Britney Spears story up there, and the hits go way up, 4 or 5 times more hits. And it's unfortunate. And that's something we have discussed in the newsroom, and it is a reality. It is a reality, the bottom line and the numbers and the ratings, and that's what people want to see. But where, as a news producer and as a newsroom, it's a fact that you have to deal with, but where you can offset that, I know what we tend to do on some of those stories is the television shows leading up to the newscast. We'll tease them. Coming up, Gavin Newsom, so people want to see it. And then at the beginning of the news show, you give a little piece of it, more coming up later. And then you have that maybe in your C block, which would be after a third set of commercials. And so you still then have the opportunity to some of these people who don't want to be informed or would rather hear the entertainment. They're going to have to sit through the real news to get to that. And one device is with the teases. You tease that light entertainment story, but put it lower in the broadcast. I mean, you have to announce it at the beginning, but then you have your real news stories. And that's one way where the news media can kind of offset that. Yeah, you're cognizant of the ratings, but you can actually get the information out there through teasing. And it's unfortunate, but it is
really
a reality.
Tragic that we have to force feed the public information.